Well, another rainy morning in Fairbanks, and I'm heading back to check out the baseball fields and the sport fields behind Lathrop. So anyways, about 6 a.m. like I said, it's pouring rain down. So we'll see what we can find. I'm gonna check out this area. Was way over there the other day. I'm gonna try over here today. So let's get started. So I'm getting a pretty good nickel signal here. 58. It says it's right there, so let's see, dig it and see what it is. Well, there you have it. First target of the day had a nickel signal. And that's what it is. Anyways, can't wait till later today. Getting my Leshy digging tool today. So I won't have to use that old dull knife. I don't think you could cut anything with that. It's so dull from me sticking it in the ground. Alright, I'm going to keep looking. And there's another target, bottle cap. Well, just found a dime over here by the bleachers. First pull tab of the day, rang up like a dime. Boy, that foil gets me every time. But I gotta dig it. Gotta dig it. And found another dime. I don't know why, but I got bad luck with seagulls. They're coming right at me. I think they want food or something. And the rain's starting to come down pretty good now, but I'm still looking, and I just found an old penny. Not a wheat though. Alright, so I'll keep looking. So found another target. It's pretty deep, 3 or 4 inches down. Old pull tab, beaver tail. It's getting to be about 7 or 8 in the morning, so traffic's getting kind of busy here. And the rain's coming down pretty good. I'm gonna hit this inner field here and see what I can find. First, second, third. It's raining pretty good right now. Just found this. I think it's like a cap you put on your tire valve. That's what it looks like, a metal one. Well, just found a button. It's pouring the rain down. Well, I found this, some kind of, looks like a buckle or something. Just found another nickel. It's pretty deep too, 3 or 4 inches. I'm gonna check all these when I get home and see if any of them might be old. Hopefully one of them is. Nice surface find. nickel. Alright guys, I've been hunting on this field for days, and I'm super excited because I think I might have found something good right here. I started to break it free from the surface and I noticed it was looks like it had a stone on it, but it's gone. Bummer. I'm looking for a mark. And I don't see any. Shame I couldn't find the stone with it. But I'll take it home and check it out. Cool. Finally I found something besides coins and trash. Alright. Well, here's a first. It's a rivet. Well, just found one of those clips for an ace bandage. Gives out a perfect gold ring sound. I got another dime. Okay, just had another target. Not quite sure what this is. Oh, it says MK. Could that stand for like Mary Kay? So maybe it's just the top of like some kind of makeup or something. Okay. It does say MK right there. So that must be what it is. Okay, had another target, and I can see it laying back in there. It looks like I found a quarter. Can't see the date. Alright, I found a few of these so far, so I'll have to check them out when I get home. Alright, rain slowed up a little bit. Barely drizzling now, so I'm going to call it quits here pretty soon, go home, get something to eat, and then wait for my Leshy digging tool to arrive in the mail, and then I'm going to come back out and give that Leshy digging tool a try. Whoops. Alright, I'll keep looking. Well, I'm not sure what I found here, but maybe a key? Yep, I thought it was attached to something else, but it's a big key. Cool, I like finding keys. Alright, I'll keep looking. Hey guys, this is everything I found this morning when I went hunting over at Lathrop sports fields in the rain. And I went super early, hunting that gold signal. A lot of tinfoil, bottle caps, strange pieces of metal. This pinged up to like 92. I've never seen a target that high before. So a lot of nails. I found a cap to an air valve on a tire, a little bandage thing there. Key. Top to a Mary Kay type of makeup. A couple of parts to a lighter. The top of pencils. Found 2 quarters. Found 5 dimes. And the oldest dime was a 1965. 1 year away. I found 6 nickels. The oldest one of those was 1969. And then I found 35 pennies. And all those were 70s, 80s. And then my nicest find of the day was this ring. And it had a big stone in the middle and one on each side. And obviously they popped off. There was still half on one side, and there it is. So obviously it's fake diamond because it broke, it fell out. But hey, it's a ring. I haven't found one in a while, and I like finding them no matter what kind they are, real, or I hope they're real, but you know, if they're not, still finding something. So anyways, look at all those nickels, Doug. Anyways, I must have been in a pretty good spot because I found a lot of stuff. So anyways, going hunting today after I get my Leshy tool in the mail, and I'll probably make a video of that just because it gives me a chance to make a video. Alright, till next time. See you guys later and happy hunting.